Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. So one of the comments in my last video was, hey Paul, why don't we do bodyweight workouts on your channel anymore? All this resistance bands, and resistance bands. That's not really all it is, but somebody wants to do bodyweight workouts. It says there's like 4 of you that watch the channel. I said, why not? So today we have a bodyweight workout we're gonna do. It's gonna be, however, squat heavy. So get ready to do some squats. And unfortunately, it's also going to be counting heavy, or as good as I can get with counting 30 squats and then 20 of everything else, basically. So let's not waste any time. We're gonna alternate between squats and another exercise, a lot of core, some push-ups, and as any good bodyweight workout has to finish, we are going to finish up with some burpees. Before we get started, however, don't forget that workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for over 6 years right now. It's going on year 7. I have not missed an upload, even though I average about 40 views per video. Guys, thank you for joining me today for Fit After 50. Let's get started with 30 squats. Ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's get down. 1. And I don't care if how deep you go or whatever, as long as you're moving with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, keep it up. 8, come on. 9, that's 10. Keep going. 1, 2, a lot of counting. I apologize in advance. 4, 5, halfway there. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 more. Ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go straight through. 4, no breaks. 5 more. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's get down the ground for 20 push-ups. My wrist has been a little jacked up. I'm gonna do the best that I can on these. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna use my little push-up assist. Takes the pressure off my wrist. Check these out if you guys have a lot of wrist pain. Anyway, 20 push-ups. Ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Halfway, keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. All right, back to the top. Like I said, squat heavy, 30 squats. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, keep it up. 3, just gotta keep moving. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 more. 1, 2, 3, keep it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on. 9, keep moving, come on. 10, let's go. 10 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep moving. 8, 2 more. 1 and 2. Guys, for whatever reason you can't keep doing squats, do this. I don't care what you do, just keep moving with me. Let's get on the ground. 20 sit-ups. I don't care what you put your arms. I'm gonna leave mine around here. 20 sit-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, full body workout. 3, a lot of counting. 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway there. Keep going. 1, knock these out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. 30 squats. There's a surprise. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Keep it up. 1, 4, 5. Come on. 6. Move. 7. Let's go faster. 8, 9. That's 10. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Keep moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. And 10. Back on the ground. We're halfway done with the workout. All right. Preview on the screen. Let's go. 1 and out. 2 and out. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Roll out of it and straight into, guess what? Squats. 30. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. 1, 2, 1. I think it's 10. Might be 12. That's okay. We're going with 13. 14. Who cares? 15. Move with me. 16. 17. Come on. 18. 19. 20. 10 more. 9 more. Come on. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Woo. On the ground. Russian twists. 50 of them. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 50. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 down. Let's go 11. Let's go 12. Let's go 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's 20. That's 21. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, halfway. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't quit now. 5. Come on. 6. Push it. 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Guess what? Squats. Guess what? Last set. Guess what? We're almost done. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 1, 2. Energy. 3. Come on. 4. Let's go. Halfway. 15 left and we're done with the squats for the workout. 18, 19, 20. Keep moving. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. 9. Last one. And 10. All right. Almost done. I'm gonna do 20 burpees. Mine are gonna be hand release burpees. Like I said, my wrist is a little jacked up. It'll be easier for me. So before we get started, that's what I do, guys. If something hurts as you're older, find a way to work around it. You can still do the workout. Ready to go? 20 burpees. 3, 2, 1. On the ground. Hand release for me. Push up. Jump. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. Hands are falling off. We continue. 5. 6. Keep going. 7. I'm tired. It's okay. 8. 2 more. We're halfway there. 9. 10. Here it is. Keep going. Here comes 11.
12, 13, keep it up, 14, working hard, 15, 5 left, you guys ready? Last 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, last 1, 5. Woo! We are done. Well guys, you want a bodyweight workout? We got a bodyweight workout. Thank you for knocking this out quickly with me. Today, I'm out of breath. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. I'll see you guys during the next workout.